Our extended coverage of this winter weather event in Kansas City. We're joined on the phone now by Overland Park Police Officer John Lacey. Officer Lacey, good morning. What are you seeing out there? We've heard from road crews. We haven't necessarily talked to a lot of emergency officials just yet. What's it like on the roads in OP?
Well, in Overland Park, we've activated the walk-in policy. So we're asking everyone, if you're involved in a minor fender bender, to exchange information, get a driver's license, insurance, and then we'll make a report later on. But what I'm seeing right now is that people are still driving a little bit over the speed limit, and what we want people to do is just basically slow down.
Absolutely. You know, Officer Lacey, you talked about that walk-in accident protocol today. Do you have the numbers so far of what you guys are seeing?
Not at this time, but I do know that we've taken several accident reports, even last night. A lot of the officers right now, they are on the side of roads trying to help motorists get from point A to point B, but the one thing that we're seeing is that people are driving above the posted speed limit, and we just want them to slow down.
Absolutely.
Officer Lacey, I know the last thing we want our viewers, and I know you want people in Overland Park to worry about is my wreck bad enough if I'm in a wreck this morning? If someone heads out this morning, give me an example of a wreck in which someone should go ahead and call police. I mean, obviously, it's if someone is hurt, but give me an example of a situation that someone should not wait to walk in and tell you about it later.
Sure. There's a situation where they are injured. Yes, we will respond to those types of accidents or crashes. And push come to shove, if someone is under the influence of alcohol or drugs, we will also respond to that also.
But if it's just a simple, I bumped into someone, my car is still drivable, their car is still drivable, we can let police know about it later?
Correct. Just exchange information, take pictures, take photos of the make and model, including the license tag of that vehicle, and walk it in later.
We're looking at video from one of our storm trackers this morning as Officer Lacey is talking, and we've seen a couple of instances where he was just describing there, right, where people are driving too fast.
We saw a few slide-offs even in that storm tracker that we were seeing right now. So, Officer Lacey, thank you so much for chatting with us.
All right, thanks for having me, guys.